Hey, hello, what's up everyone? In this video, I'm going to teach you about 9 planets in Vedic astrology and their explanation in brief. So, before beginning, if you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon and click the like button. And if you have any doubt after watching this video, please to mention it in my below comment section, okay? And yes, please to like and follow my Facebook community page, Parikshit Astrology, where you can also post some astrological stuff and gain knowledge. So, let's begin. So mainly there are 9 different planets in our Vedic astrology. So those are Sun, Moon, Mars, Mercury, Jupiter, Venus, Saturn and Rahu Ketu. So why I have written 7 plus 2 is, see, 7 planets are actually visible in our solar system, right? So other 2 planets that are Rahu and Ketu are not visible. So they are known as shadow planets. So that's why I written 7 plus 2, 2 shadow planets. Now coming to Sun. So planet Sun or Surya represents king, royal planet, willpower, higher officials, father. It also represents the fatherly figures and it rules Leo zodiac sign and stays for 1 month. So it has only one aspect, that is the 7th aspect. So I'll explain you about aspects and all briefly in the coming videos. Now it is a fire element. So you know about what do you mean by fire element and all. So if you don't know, please do check out that video that I did. So 12 different zodiac sign. So I put a link in my description below, or you can even just press this I button above. And it also represents all government work, government jobs, politicians, bureaucrats and all. So it represents bones in body. So the qualities of Sun are leader, authority, responsible, dominant, fatherly figures, father, or it represents ego. So your ego is seen through planet Sun. Now the color of the planet Sun is bright red. Now coming to the planet Moon or Chandra. So planet Moon represents queen. It also represents mother, motherly figures, mind, emotions. It rules happiness, consistency, depression, negative or positive thinking. It rules Cancer zodiac sign and stays for 2.5 days in each zodiac sign. It is the very fastest moving planet in our Vedic astrology. It is a water element. It has only one aspect, that is 7th aspect. So it rules all the water bodies on earth. So it has the ability to care and support others, nurturing skills, imagination, psychological disorder or psychological disease, empathy, anything related to mind. So the color is white. Now coming to the planet Mars, it represents commander in chief, fire element, effort, infantry, planet of blood, reddish face. It rules Aries and Scorpio. It has 3 aspects, special aspects. Those are 4th, 7th and 8th aspect. So the career related to the Mars are army, navy, police, soldiers, CBI, anti-corruption and sports players. Now it also represents technical fields like engineering fields, IT fields, electrical, mechanical engineers. So the characters of Mars are strong, bold, courage, powerful, physical desire. So desire and courage to take actions can be seen through the planet Mars. So planet Mars career also represents IPS career. So those people who are in police service can be seen through the planet Mars. Now properties and land, it also can be seen through planet Mars. So blood disease, acidity, bad stomach, surgery. So these are the different kind of health problems that you can see through the planet Mars. So its direction is south direction. So the color of the planet Mars is red. Now coming to the planet Jupiter. So Jupiter represents minister, teacher, guru of all devatas, education, children, money, knowledge. It also rules Sagittarius and Pisces zodiac sign and stays in 1 year in each zodiac sign. It has 3 special aspects. Those are 5th, 7th and 9th aspect. So Jupiter represents the brokers, teachers, astrologers, finance, bank employees. It also represents growth. So if anyone is growing, then their Jupiter is very much strong. It also represents empty space in body, sharing knowledge and obtaining benefit from it. So these all things can be seen through the planet Jupiter. So the color of Jupiter is yellow. Now coming to the planet Venus. Venus represents guru of demons, spouse, sex life, kidneys, sex organs, sperm, dance, music or any entertainment. So actor or actress can be seen through the planet Venus. It rules Taurus and Libra and stays in 1 month in each zodiac sign. Anything related to the ladies can be seen through the planet Venus. It also represents food and hotel business. So its metal is silver, gem is diamond, direction is southeast, color is white. Now coming to planet Saturn. Saturn represents slaves, long-term time or call, longevity, slow, lazy, invariable, productive, rigid, fearful, mysterious planet. It also represents death also. The god of death is planet Saturn. So it rules Capricorn and Aquarius and stays 2.5 years in each zodiac sign. Muscles in the body. Cold planet, slower than any other planet, malefic, delays, difficulties, sorrows, create disharmony and disputes in life. Now, coming to the planet Mercury, it represents Prince, Earth element. It rules Virgo and Gemini. It has only one aspect, that is seventh aspect. All types of communication related to Mercury on it, like telecommunication, verbal communication, internet. So, significator of speech is ruled by planet Mercury. Trading, business, music, comedians, intelligence, mentality, logic, memory can be seen through planet Mercury. Consultant, IT or CA can be seen through the planet Mercury. Now, skin diseases, nerves, memory problems can be seen through the planet Mercury. Now, marketing also seen through planet Mercury. Now, the color of Mercury is green. Now, coming to the planet Rahu. So, Rahu is a shadow planet, North Node, Dragonhead. So, best signs for Rahu are Virgo, Aquarius, Gemini, Taurus, Libra, Capricorn, and stays in 18 months in each zodiac sign. It represents illusions, magic, Maya, rapist, robberies, and cheating can be seen through planet Rahu. So, Rahu acts as Saturn. So those who are having Rahu with Venus can become a very great actor or actresses, and they can even get very great fame. Also, these people can also get into politics also. So these people can also become a very great politicians. Now, Cancer, chronic disorders, accidents, problems, struggles can be seen through the planet Rahu. Now its color is black. Now coming to the planet Ketu. No head, no brain, only legs, separation, divorce, spiritual inclination, IT, computer software, imprisonment, fear, broke relations, allergy, punishment can be seen through planet Ketu. The color is brown. So, thank you. So, yep, this is it for today, guys. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe below, or else I will see in the next video. So, if you want any consultancy, please to contact my given below WhatsApp number, or else you can even mail me also. So, until and unless, thank you, bye bye, love you, take care.